Hello friends, in this exercise we will learn two more things. First, how to use comments in the cell, how to insert comments in the cell, and second, how to protect the worksheet. So let's take up this first thing, that is how to comment the cell. Here you can see, if I take my pointer on this figure, a pop-up message is appearing just beside it, and it is saying this is amount the loan taken from the bank. So it is telling something about this figure. If you take your pointer to other cells, you will see some small window is appearing, pop-up window is appearing, and this is the comment. If you want to comment any cell, there is a simple process you will have to follow. You will just have to click on the right click on the cell. Like if I want to add a comment to this cell, then I will right click in this cell and will go to insert comment. Here, because I am the owner of this machine, my name is appearing at the top. If you want, you can delete it and you can make the message only appear in this box. So I am writing, this is the loan amount taken from the bank. That's it. And I want to close. I want to resize it to a proper size. And if you click somewhere outside, you will see this has disappeared. The comment has disappeared. But when you take your pointer to this cell again, let us identify this cell with a boundary. So if you take your pointer to this cell, then it will show you that comment. Just like this. Okay. So if you want to add, suppose you have taken a loan of 50 lakhs from the bank. So that's it. This is the amount you have taken, 50 lakhs rupees, and here it is. So if you add this figure to this, 50, okay. So if you click this, here it is. Okay. So the comment is appearing. This is the loan amount taken from the bank. Right. Now, if you want to add something to this comment, then you will have to edit it. So right click in the same cell and go to the edit comment option, and here you can add something. The bank is SBI distributor. So that is it. I have edited and added some more text to this comment. That's all. If you want to remove it, then again we will have to right click in this cell and we will have to delete this comment. Before that, I want to show you how to use this show and hide comment option. So if you click this option, this will remain there. It will not hide, or even without taking your pointer to this cell, this comment will be visible. So if you want somewhere that this comment should always be visible, then you can go for this show comment option, which will keep it on the screen. Okay. But if you want it to appear only when the pointer is taken to this cell, again go to this, hide this option. So it is no more appearing. When you take your pointer on the cell, then only it will appear. And how to delete it? Delete, go to delete comment option. After right click on the cell, and it says deleted the comment. So that's all about this comment, how to comment the cell, how to edit the comment, and how to delete the comment. Okay. Now let's go to learn how to protect the worksheet. For that, you will have to learn certain basic things about the worksheet. Like this is a worksheet, and all these cells on the worksheet are locked by virtue. So I am selecting this particular cell and going to format, and look at this lock cell option. It is selected. It is selected. This blue line around this icon is saying this cell is locked. Similarly, if you take your pointer to any other cell on the worksheet, you will see that particular cell is locked. So similarly, all the cells on the worksheet by virtue are locked, but you can unlock it. How? By selecting it. Suppose you have selected this range, and in this range all the cells are to be unlocked. So there is a simple process. You go to format, in the home you are going to format, and then go to this option which is selected. We are going to deselect it. So I have deselected this. So from here to here, if you go again, this lock cell option is not selected. That means it is unlocked. So from here to here, all these cells are unlocked. So it has got a simple process. Select the cells which you want to deselect, unlock. Okay, and then so I am selecting these 5. There are 5 cells I would like to leave editable. So here are 3 cells. One cell is here, which is current month, and extra payment option. I am going to leave these 5 cells, editable, and rest of the cells I would like to, protect, and will make all them uneditable. Means you won't even be able to, click in the cell. You will be able to click in these 5 cells only, and nowhere on the sheet you will be able to click. So that's the plan of doing this exercise. Okay, so I am selecting these 3 cells, pressing Control key, selecting this cell and this cell. So 5 cells in total I have selected, and now I will move to format and will select lock cell option. So all these 5 cells are unlocked now. So next what I will do, I will click anywhere on the worksheet and will go to format and protect sheet option. Here in this protect sheet option, you can see this check box is checked, and here it is written protect worksheet and the content of the locked cells. So those cells which are locked, their content will be protected. So for that you have to give a password. So I am giving SNTI as the password. Clicking OK, it will tell you to repeat the password, and again I have written SNTI and click OK. So that's all. Look at this. I'm not able to click anywhere. Click in any of the cells except this cell, this cell, this cell, this cell, and this cell. Nowhere else you will be able to click. So your worksheet is protected now. Only you can unprotect it again, and if you want, you can edit this worksheet. So that is how the worksheet is protected and cells are commented. So that's all in this exercise. Hopefully you understood everything well. Thank you very much. Happy learning.